Welcome. In front of me is an Elephone P8000 and I'll show you how to change the language on this device. So what we'll need to do is start by opening up the settings app, which for me, I'm just going to pull the notification and you have the little gear icon right there, so I'll hop on it. Then scroll down into language and input right here, tap on it, and then the first entry is language. So I'm just going to select it. And from here I get to choose the language that I desire. So what can we choose? Let's choose Italiano. And as you can see, immediately it changes. You don't need to do any kind of dragging. Just select the language and it changes. Again, that one more time so I don't get confused later on. English, and as you can see, immediately it changes back. So that is how you change the language of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.